Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Smart Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are making Anday shami burger in our kitchen. So let's get started. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. For making today's recipe, you'll need 2 eggs, butter, some homemade chutney, a few sliced tomatoes and onion, burger buns and shami kabab. Do like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching our video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.